Today's video is about how I make money in my retirement. Looking back, I should have done that before my retirement. First, I have to thank you to you all for subscribing to my channel. And I have over 3,000 subscribers now. And I don't like to watch ads, therefore I don't put too many ads on my channel either. As a result, I make about more than $1 a day. Not much money, but it's good because I like to share what I learn. Hope you all enjoy watching my videos. After watching some other videos on YouTube in making money much easier, and I experimented with that, and it works, and I'm going to share that here. Before we go any further, if you like my video, please support me by giving me thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today is a special day. Today is the 100th trading day of the year. And I have been day trading for 100 days. That is almost 6 months now. And I'm going to share my experience. As a beginning day trader, I have many questions. I'm going to share my findings. But before that, let me share a little bit background about myself. I've been trading stocks since 1986. There were so many up and downs. But I know if I keep on trading, I will come up ahead. And now I retired, and about 50% of the money I have came from the stock market. The other 50% from my savings, from my work. In the last 6 months, I've learned a lot also. I'm still keep on learning because to me, day trading is a skill. This is from my day trading account at TD Ameritrade between March 1st to May 28th. And I've traded over $11 million. It's the total amount I've traded. And I made $55,000 in these 3 months. As you scroll down here, you can see I have losses. Those are shown in red. And you can see more here. I sold Wells Fargo and lost $11,000. I have this stock for over 3 years. I sold this stock so I can have more cash in my account to do day trading. Therefore, it shouldn't be considered to be part of the day trading gain or lost, and I will do adjustment on that. I used $11 million and come up with $55,000 gain. I removed the loss about $11,000 from the sales of Wells Fargo. I come up with the final gain, which should be $66,000. That will give me a gain of 0.6%. That means for every $100 I use in trading, I make 60 cents. I have $600,000 in this trading account. And if I make $66,000 in 3 months, for 1 year, I should make around $267,000. That is more than 40% gain. Of course, there's no guarantee that I will be making $267,000 by the end of the year. And when I look at the trend, at the same time I keep on learning. In the first 3 months of day trading, I average about $4,000 per week. Then I inject in more money into the account. Now, for the past 8 weeks, I've been making over $10,000 per week. I don't know how my performance compared with other day traders, but at least what I'm doing today is much better than what I did last year, which I lost about 30% of my savings. My old way of investing doesn't work well in this kind of market. What I'm showing you here is my day trading income. I do have another account and do swing trades. That's why totally I have over 10K per week. In the last 3 months, I'm doing much better. As you can see, I don't really lose much money. I'm also very conservative. If I see a stock that I don't think there's any potential and I make a mistake and bought it, I'll let go even though I make a few dollars. Please note, the second column to the right is the percentage gain. Let's take a look at DKS. They have been doing very good in the past few quarters. And I actually did a swing trade. I bought it on 22nd and sold it the next day. And I sold it at pre-market and I made over 3% that day. Let's take a look at Google. I did quite a few trades on the 17th. And overall, I actually did make a little bit money, even though I lost $92 earlier. Humana is my other favorite trade. And very often, this kind of stocks go in cycles. And I know it will jump higher. But my principle is if I make a little bit money, I'll let go. Because you never know when it will drop or when it will going up. And with this case, I did buy the Humana on the 28th March and sold it on 6th. And I held on a little bit, allow it to go up much further to almost 7% before I sold that particular share. And I was happy with that. I don't want to have a margin account, but I can still trade when the market going down. So I go into SQQQ, SPXLS, and that is a 3x kind of investment. That means I will lose money quick or make money quick. But I never do very good with SQQQ. So you see the real loss here. But after all, I lost only $700 some, which isn't much after averaging out. Whether you are doing day trading or not, putting money in the stock market is a gambling. The important thing to learn is how to cut down on your losses and come up ahead. I have $600,000 for trading and I allocate 200K for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I usually close my positions the same day, so the money I closed can be settled and used on Thursday and Tuesday for Friday. Yes, I don't want to hold the positions overnight. And in 3 months, I have traded over $11 million. And that means every $100 I trade, I gain 60 cents. So in $11 million, I make 66K in 3 months. So I project in 1 year I make 264K, or a gain of 44% without considering the compounding effect. This 6 months of trading experience show that I'm better off using day trading as an investment strategy. And if you're interested to find out more how I trade, how I grow my money, which is very different from many professional day traders, please let me know. I will share more about my experience as a beginner in day trading. I believe my job one is not to lose a penny. That's why I really don't make big money like some of the professional day traders. And when I included the swing trading in my strategy, I make even more money. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and support my channel. Better if you subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. I have many other videos on my channel. Hope you will find them interesting too. Thanks and see you again. Bye bye.